Hello everyone. Today my lecture on Stark effect in quantum mechanics. This is the application of degenerate perturbation theory. The phenomena, the splitting of energy level of an hydrogen atom by the effect of external electric field is called Stark effect. Suppose hydrogen atom is kept in electric field with intensity E is applied along z direction. Then electron of hydrogen atom gains external energy EEZ, where E is the intensity of electric field and Z is the displacement suffered by the electron due to effect of electric field. So Hamiltonian of hydrogen atom in presence of electric field becomes H naught, that is the initial Hamiltonian in absence of the electric field, and EEZ, this is the additional energy that comes due to the effect of electric field on hydrogen atom. Now compare with Hamiltonian formula H is equal to H naught plus H dash. H dash is the perturbed Hamiltonian that comes due to effect of electric field, and H naught is the initial Hamiltonian that is due to absence of electric field. On comparing this equation and this equation, you will get H dash is equal to EEZ. Since hydrogen atom is a spherically symmetric problem r theta phi, so we use polar coordinate z is equal to r cos theta. In this way, perturbed Hamiltonian H dash is equal to E E r cos theta. Now study the Stark effect on ground state hydrogen atom. Now use the formula of first order energy correction E dash is equal to bracket notation of the wave function of normal state, ground state 0 0 and 0 0 H dash. This can also be written as psi 100 star H dash psi 100 d tau. Ground state wave function of hydrogen atom psi 100. 1 means a principal quantum number, 0 means orbital quantum number, and 0 means magnetic quantum number. Their value is this: e to the power minus r upon a naught, where a naught is the Bohr radius. Now putting in this equation, you will get this. The volume in spherical polar coordinate is d tau is equal to r square dr sine theta d theta d phi. So E dash is equal to E upon pi a naught cube. वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करने के बाद ये वैल्यू आएगी. And the limit of r 0 to infinity, and limit of theta 0 to pi, and limit of phi 0 to 2 pi. These variation of the angles in spherical polar coordinate phi from 0 to 2 pi, and theta from 0 to pi, and r from 0 to infinity. This equation has a term cos theta sin theta d theta 0 to pi. If we integrate this term, then it will be 0. This term will be 0, so whole integration will be 0. That means there is no effect of electric field on ground state of hydrogen atom. That means there is no Stark effect in ground state of hydrogen atom. Now we study excited state. For excited state, principal quantum number n is equal to 2. Total number of states 4. For n is equal to 2, the orbital quantum number L is equal to 0 to n minus 1. That means 0 to 1. 0, 1. For L बराबर 0, magnetic quantum number m बराबर 0. For L बराबर 1, magnetic quantum number minus 1, 0, plus 1. In this way, there will be 4 combination of n, l, m. N, L, M, 200. N, L, minus 1. N, L, 0. N, L, 1. Since 4-wave function psi 200, psi 21 minus 1, psi 210, psi 211, 4-wave function with same energy. Since energy depends on only principal quantum number, principal quantum number are same n बराबर 2. So energy will be single value, but wave function are 4 value. These 4 values wave function have similar energy that is determined by principal quantum number n बराबर 2. In this way, first excited state has 4-fold degeneracy. First excited state have 4-fold degeneracy. In this way, the determinant that has been determined in a degenerate theoretical description, the determinants are this equal to 0. This is the secular determinants used in all degenerate case. H-LL minus E1, H-LM, H-ML, H-MM minus E1. H-LL, H-LL means integral psi 200 star H dash psi 200 data. Because there are 4 wave function, so one side can be taken as a fixed and other side can varies. It may be 4 value. So H dash LL have a 4 value, H dash LM have a 4 value, H dash ML have a 4 value, H dash MM have a 4 value. In this way, our determinants becomes this 4 4 4 4, that means 16 components. 4 4 cross 4, that is a 16 components. The first column 0 0 is fixed and left side 0 0 1 minus 1 1 0 1 1. Second column 1 minus 1 is fixed, 0 0 1 minus 1 1 0 1 1. Third 1 0 is fixed, 0 0 1 minus 1 1 0 1 1. 1 1 is fixed, 0 0 1 minus 1 1 0 1 1. Similar H dash LL minus E1, मतलब देखिए similar 0 0 0 0 minus E1. 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, that is minus E1. 1 0 1 0 minus 1. 1 1 1 1 minus 1. Since electric field is applied along z direction, so selection rule are given. Delta L is equal to plus minus 1, delta M is equal to 0. The selection rule is applicable in those values, then they will gives non-zero value, otherwise will gives 0 value. Just like this term, L is 0, L is 0. That means difference is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. जबकि रिक्वायरमेंट है आपकी प्लस माइनस 1, सो दिस इंटीग्रल विल बी 0. 0 और 1 means 1 minus 0. Delta L is 1, but delta M minus 1 minus 0, that is delta M minus 1 and delta L 1. Delta M requirement is 0, so this term is 0. I have explained by taking 3 examples: 0 0 0 0 0 0. Difference हो गया delta L 0, because delta L is 0 but not equal to plus minus 1, so this term is 0. Second example, 0 1, the difference आएगा plus 1. प्लस 1 आपको इसको सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, इसका मतलब इसकी वैल्यू नॉन जीरो होनी चाहिए. बट डेल्टा एम की क्या पोजीशन है? डेल्टा में है 0 minus 1, that means difference is minus 1, but requirement is 0. Delta M is equal to 0, so this term is 0. Now take third example, 0 1. So 1 minus 0, that is equal to in this case 0 1, the difference is 1. Delta M 0 0, delta M is equal to 0, so condition is satisfied. Delta L is equal to plus 1, delta M is equal to 0, so this term will be, this term does not 0, this term has a some value. In this way only this term has value, this term, and this term has value, but all other terms will be 0. Any term can be checked. 1 1, delta L is equal to 0, not possible. 1 1, delta L is equal to 0, not possible. 1 0, delta L is equal to 1, it may be possible, but delta M क्या है? 1 0, delta M is equal to plus 1, but requirement delta M is equal to 0 and delta L is equal to plus minus 1. According to this selection rule, only this term has values and this term has values. So determinant becomes this minus E1 and this term, this term. The value of this term and value of this term can be determined, but in exam can be learned. Can be determined in this lecture, but can be learned in the examination. 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. 1 0 का मतलब है साइड टू 1 0 एंड 0 0 का मतलब है साइड टू 0 0. साइड टू 0 0 की वैल्यू लर्न, साइड टू 1 0 वैल्यू लर्न. These values can be putting in this equation, and h dash is equal to EER cos theta, d tau is equal to R square dr sin theta d theta. So our equation becomes this. This term is R, this term is theta, and this term is phi. The value of this is 2 pi, and value of this integral is 2 by 3. So only this integral remains, and their value is 2 by 3, and their value is 2 pi. Again solve these two integral by putting r by a naught is equal to z. So dr is equal to a naught z. This and this can be determined by beta gamma function x to the power n minus 1 e to the power minus x dx is equal to n factorial. In this case n minus 1 is equal to 4, मतलब n बराबर 5. In this case n minus 1 is equal to 5, so n is equal to 6. So this term gives the 5 factorial, gamma n factorial मतलब n means 5, n factorial, and this term gives the 6 gamma. This is a gamma 5, and this is a gamma 6. This is a gamma n plus 1. This is a gamma n plus 1. So z के power 4 gives gamma 5, and z के power 5 gives gamma 6. After calculation, you will get minus 3e a naught. This value can be learned, cannot be solved in the examination. So our determinant becomes this: minus e1 0, minus 3e a naught 0, 0 minus e1 0 0, minus 3e a naught 0 minus e1 0. On solving this determinant, you will get the 4 value of e1. 4 value of e1. The 4 value of e1 is 0, 0, minus 3e a naught, and 3e naught. These two values 0 indicate the 4 values are not different. 4 energy values are not different. 2 values are the same, but 2 values are the different. In starting, you have take 4 wave function, but 4 have same energy. But after solving the determinant, you will get 2 values are equal and 2 values are different. So half of degeneracy is removed. Of 4 एनर्जी स्टेट्स में 2 एनर्जी स्टेट्स डिफरेंट आ गए. दैट मीन्स हाफ डिजेनरेसी इज रिमूव्ड. वी नो द एनर्जी फॉर डाइपोल W is equal to minus PE cos theta. For parallel dipole cos theta is equal to 1, so W is equal to minus PE, and this value is the minus 3e a naught. For anti-parallel, cos theta is equal to minus 1. This value is 1. One value is plus. This is for anti-parallel dipole. One value is minus. one value is minus and one value is plus. Minus value is for parallel dipole, plus value is for anti-parallel dipole. In this way, the dipole moment P is equal to 3 E naught, because E and E are can be replaces, so P is equal to 3 E naught. In this way, our energy diagram becomes this. This is the original level without application of the electric field, and this is the three levels due to application of electric field. Two wave function are original line, मतलब that are unaffected by the application of electric field 211 and 21 minus 1. And two wave function gives the two energy, one is the plus and other is the minus. Plus for anti-parallel dipole and minus for parallel dipole. So the linear combination of these two wave function for anti-parallel dipole is 1 by root 2. This is a wave function. For this linear combination, energy is this. For this linear combination, energy is this. For behavior of hydrogen atom in first excited state n बराबर 2 possesses a permanent electric dipole moment 3 E naught. अभी लास्ट में आपने निकाला है कि dipole moment P is equal to 3 E naught with three different orientations. One state parallel to external electric field and one state anti-parallel to external electric field, and two states with zero component along the field. This is a zero component along the field. Two wave function are in this level, psi 211, psi 21 minus 1, and this is a positive energy change state, this is a negative energy change state. This is for this wave function and this is for this wave function and this is for this wave function. This is the end of my lecture.